Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your HP OMEN Transcend 14 without a Microsoft account. You can see that it asks me here to log in with Microsoft account, and I don't want to. So what you can do in this case, I'm gonna show you in a moment. But before that, it's best to skip the Microsoft login before you connect to Wi-Fi, because after you connect to Wi-Fi, the steps that I'm going to show you may not work. So it's best to either not connect at all, or after you've connected, walk away from your router far enough that it just doesn't have connection anymore. And what you should do is click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard to open the CMD. Then make this window active, so click on the top and type in oobe / bypassnro. Something like this, exactly. It should be a backslash, not forward slash. So your command should look like this, and then it will restart your laptop. And I'm already connected to the internet, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna let me. If no, then I'm gonna walk away from the router so it disconnects from the Wi-Fi network, and then we'll see. And now the laptop has restarted. So I'm just gonna select the country or region again, then keyboard layout or input method. I'm gonna skip the second one. It's checking for updates, but I think I don't have any to install. Then I'm gonna skip renaming the device. And now it asks me to sign in again, which means that my laptop hasn't disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Okay, so I actually had to walk away from the router, and once I did, I had to restart the laptop once again, since after the restart, after entering the command oobe /bypassnro, if you enter it and it's still connected to the Wi-Fi, then it'll still get to the Microsoft account login anyway. So if it gets to that, walk away from the router, then restart your laptop again by either entering the command again or pressing and holding on the power button until your laptop shuts down, waiting for 15 seconds, pressing on the power button again, and now you should get to the beginning of the setup again until you find the Wi-Fi connection question, and you can click on I don't have internet. So that option has appeared after entering oobe bypassnro, and now I can just enter the username that I want to use. Then the password, and click on enter. I need to confirm it also. And now security questions, which I'm also gonna answer. And now you can simply continue the setup of your Windows 11 normally. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.